Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to find mean in Excel for group data. See, this is given data, this is class intervals, these are frequencies. Here class interval, width of class interval C equal to 20. Now we can find sum of frequencies by using sum command. Sum. This is J9 to J15. Here we get n equal to 100. For finding mean we need mid values, so we can find mid values. How we can mid values? Sum of two with class intervals 0 plus 20 divided by 2. Enter. Like this you can observe class interval, all class interval which is same, so we can add up by 20, we can get same values. So 30, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. Now we need frequency into mid value, say x. Now we need which values, J9 multiplied by K9. We can long press to this, we get all values. Now we need sum of this value, sum of L9 to L15. Now we get some values. We all know that what is the formula for mean. Now we go to presentations, the presentation 50 or 5. Here this is formula for mean. So this is the formula for mean. These are the values from the Excel table. Now we can calculate it. See, sum of xi means 7 80 divided by 100 equal to 67.8. This is our final answer for mean. Now there is another method also there, we can see that also. This is general method. Now we can see what is the deviation method. Here we need deviation equal to mid value minus assumed value, mid value minus d equal to mid value minus assumed value divides c. Here we assume that a equal to 70 or anything. Here we get 0, here we get -1, here we get -2, here we get -3. The same thing, 2, 3. Now we need f multiplies deviations. F means equal to what? M9 multiplies J9. The same thing, we can continue it. Now Now we need sum of these values, sum of m9 to m15. That's it. We get. Now we can substitute in this value. So our A is 70 plus sum of DIFI value is minus 11 divides n is 100 into C is 20. Finally we got 70 minus 220 here we got 2.2 point. Here also we get same value 67.8. Now we can observe this both well. By the direct method we got 67.8 value. By deviation method also we got 67.8 value. This is the procedure how we can solve this. This all procedures I will put on description links. You can get that also. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my video.